Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down the top 10 best sewing machines you can grab on Amazon right now. Whether you're a tech lover who enjoys smart features, a home creator crafting amazing decor, or just curious about the latest upgrades, I've got you covered. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Brother XM2701 sewing machine. The Brother XM2701 is one of my go-to recommendations for beginners and casual creators who want a versatile, no-stress sewing machine. I love how lightweight it is, making it easy to move around, yet it still packs in 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, and stretch stitches. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin makes setup incredibly simple, even if you're brand new to sewing. What stands out most is how smooth and quiet this machine runs, which is great if you like tackling projects while listening to music or a podcast. It's perfect for hemming clothes, crafting small decor items, or learning the basics without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, it's affordable, reliable, and backed by one of the most trusted brands in the sewing world. If you're looking for the best entry-level sewing machine on Amazon, the XM2701 is definitely a top contender. Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS7000X is an incredible step up if you're ready for more features without entering complex professional-only territory. With 70 built-in stitches, including quilting options, this machine really opens up your creative possibilities. I love how intuitive the LCD screen is. Selecting stitches feels as smooth as navigating a smartphone. The extended table makes a huge difference for quilting, costumes, and larger home projects. It also has improved feed dogs for better fabric control, something I really appreciate when working with slippery or stretchy materials. The automatic needle threader feels more accurate and sturdier than older models too. For the price point, you get a ton of value, especially if you're a tech lover who enjoys real precision and customization. Whether you're creating fashion pieces, quilts, or decor, the CS7000X offers professional results without the intimidating learning curve. Brother XR9550 Computerized Sewing Machine. If you're someone who loves versatility and options, the Brother XR9550 might be your dream machine. With a massive 165 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and 8 different one-step buttonholes, this machine is designed for makers who love detail and creativity. I personally enjoy how clean and easy the LCD screen makes stitch selection, especially when switching between different fabrics. The XR9550 includes a wide table that makes quilting and large garments so much easier to manage. Plus, the stitching is incredibly smooth and consistent, giving your projects a polished, professional look. Its lightweight build makes it portable enough for classes or sewing meetups, but it's still sturdy enough for regular use. If you're upgrading from a basic model or want a reliable workhorse for creative sewing, the XR9550 is one of the most impressive mid-range options on Amazon. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 High-Speed Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is a powerhouse built for speed and durability. If you work with thick fabrics, think denim, canvas, or even light leather, this machine is made for you. It delivers an impressive 1100 stitches per minute, which feels shockingly fast compared to standard machines. The motor is noticeably stronger, giving you the control and punch needed for challenging materials. I love the stainless steel bed plate because fabric glides effortlessly while maintaining accuracy. The 32 built-in stitches cover everything from basics to decorative options, making it more versatile than you'd expect from a heavy-duty model. Beginners can use it, but intermediate creators will appreciate its raw strength the most. If you're into crafting durable bags, home upgrades, or customizing denim jackets, the 4452 is one of the best Amazon buys for high-performance sewing without the high price tag. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is like the 4452's slightly simpler sibling, and honestly, it's one of the most reliable all-purpose sewing machines on the market. It's built to handle thick fabrics easily, thanks to the powerful motor and metal frame that keep everything stable while sewing. The 23 built-in stitches give you everything you need for everyday clothing repairs, crafting, or even small business projects. One of my favorite features is the automatic needle threader, which really cuts down on prep time, especially during long sessions. The 1100 stitches per minute speed is a huge bonus, helping you complete projects in record time. If you love practical, durable tools that just work, the 4423 is seriously worth considering, especially for long-term use. It's an Amazon favorite for good reason. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is a dream for tech lovers and detail-oriented creators. With an astonishing 600 built-in stitches, you can customize nearly anything: garments, decor, embroidery-style accents, and more. I'm always impressed with how intuitive the controls are despite the huge number of features. The automatic thread cutter, extension table, and mirror imaging functions make it stand out from other machines in its class. The stitching quality is remarkably clean and consistent, even on curves or delicate fabrics. It's fully loaded yet surprisingly easy to learn, making it a great choice for ambitious beginners or experienced sewists wanting a feature-rich upgrade. If you're looking to elevate your sewing projects with precision and creativity, the 9960 is easily one of the top sewing machines available on Amazon right now. Janome Mod50 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Janome Mod50 strikes a nice balance between simplicity and advanced functionality. With 50 built-in stitches, including 3 one-step buttonholes, it's perfect for creators who want efficiency without overwhelming menus. I love Janome machines because they tend to feel incredibly smooth and sturdy, and the Mod50 is no exception. The start-stop button and speed control slider make it easy for beginners to sew without the foot pedal, which is a huge plus. The stitching results are consistently neat, especially on medium-weight fabrics commonly used for clothes and home projects. It's compact, clean, and user-friendly, making it great for apartments, crafting rooms, and travel. If you're looking for a dependable, modern sewing machine that's not overloaded with unnecessary features, the Janome Mod50 is a fantastic Amazon pick. Juki HZL-F300 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Juki HZL-F300 is an absolute beast when it comes to quality, performance, and precision. Juki is known for industrial-grade machines, and this model brings that same reliability into the home. If you're serious about quilting or large-scale sewing, the HZL-F300 should be on your radar. It includes a 106 stitches, powerful feed dogs, and incredibly stable stitching even at high speeds. One of my favorite things is how well it handles layered or thick materials, something many mid-range machines struggle with. The automatic threading and buttonhole features are smooth and accurate, and the overall build feels premium. It's perfect for advanced hobbyists or semi-professional creators who want top-tier results. If quality matters above all else, the HZL-F300 is worth every penny. Singer M1000 Portable Sewing Machine. For quick fixes, simple projects, and on-the-go stitching, the Singer M1000 is a surprisingly capable portable sewing machine. It's compact, lightweight, and extremely easy to use, making it perfect for dorm rooms, travel, or small craft sessions. While it's not built for heavy fabrics or complex projects, it's fantastic for hemming, patching, and working with lightweight materials. I love how minimalistic the design is, no overwhelming controls, just straightforward functionality. It's the kind of machine I'd keep as a backup or use for fast repairs without dragging out a full-size model. If you're a beginner, this is a fun and simple entry point. If you're more experienced, it's a convenient secondary machine for light tasks. For the price, it's one of the best portable sewing machines on Amazon. Pulin EOC02 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Pulin EOC02 is an impressive budget-friendly computerized machine that offers a ton of features without the high cost. With 100 built-in stitches, it's fantastic for beginners and hobbyists looking for creative flexibility. I really like the clear LCD display and intuitive button layout. It makes selecting stitches quick and frustration-free. The automatic thread threader and drop-in bobbin keep things simple, and the stitching quality is surprisingly good across a range of fabrics. It's lightweight, but not flimsy, making it great for small spaces or sewing classes. If you enjoy trying new patterns, experimenting with decorative stitches, or working on weekend craft projects, the Pulin EOC02 gives you an affordable and enjoyable sewing experience. For Amazon shoppers wanting value and variety, this machine is a smart pick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated prices and deals. If this breakdown of the top 10 best sewing machines helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.